Okay. We came in here to RB Bait and Tackle, and they got all kinds of cool mounts on the wall. Was this a kingfish? Kingfish. Yeah. There's a snook right there. So there's a keeper bass, and that's what we're going for right there. They got good shiners out here, healthy shiners, and they got some nice snakehead stickers right there. So I picked one up for our truck. What's up, guys?
How you doing?
All right, so thanks for getting us the shiners, and we'll report back in, let you know how it's going. So, again,
it's a big one.
RB Bait and Tackle. Cool. Curly tail. See that curly tail? Come on. Oh, you want me to catch you or something? There we go. There's the curly tail. You're gonna have to run away, or you're gonna get run over. Wrong way, wrong way. Where'd he go? There he is. Alright guys, there it is. There's the first big snakehead we got today. Can you help me pull that line in? Can you hand line that? It's like the rod tip's gonna break, so. No, the rod tip was gonna break. Oh shit. Oh fuck. That's why I meant to grab. You broke the line. You broke the hook off. Broke the hook. Yep. South Florida. The OG fish and the new fish.
New teeth.
There we go. There's a nice one, and then Ty just lost a bigger one, but that's a 2-pounder right there. Alright guys, this one I got almost on shore. This one came up for the bait. Good size. It's getting dark now, so we're not getting as many bites, but this guy was nice enough to bite. Look at that nice ocelli. Big, beautiful fish. Okay, so Ty's got one on here. He caught it inside the tube. It's a good size one. That's a nice one. This is a 3-pounder. Go walk it to the bank where I was going. You're gonna go in. Ty doesn't want to walk it to the bank. He's gonna lip it right here. All right, let's see. Turn around. All right. Ty's got another 3-pounder here. Good size fish. Hold that up. Ooh, pretty fish. Peacock bass. South Florida special. So you see Ty is standing on top of one of these big culvert tubes. These connect underneath the road. They connect the canal through the road. It's a nice big opening. Fish like to hide under the shadows. Mike's over here checking scores or something. But he'll get them. And there's the canal all the way down there. We are in Coral Springs, outside of Coral Springs. So you just got to pick a canal and hope you do well. So the gar master, that'd be Ty. He's the gar master. He's a Florida spotted gar.
And I don't know where my hook is. There it is.
And oh, not too bad. He got it in the mouth. It's about 20 inches.
Yeah.
Not easy. Look at those teeth. Those teeth will be in Ty's hand pretty soon. So yeah, when it gets dark, you start to get gars. You don't really want to get gars. It happens. What we got here, we got another night gar. This is actually a big gar. This stupid fish. Let's hold that little baby.
Got a little flower on it.
There we go. That's a little bump on his head. That's a
Yeah.
nice one. He's a bumpy head. Let's see that bumpy head. Can you get that up close? See, these are the males get this nice bump on their head when they're about to spawn. You can see that. Gorgeous fish. This is Cycla ocellaris. And then this, sitting over here, is a hook stealer. Spotted gar, Florida gar. Alright, so we doubled up. We got some nice big Mayans. And like bookends, basically.
Yeah.
These are just end of the night fish.
There's probably 20 more underneath there.
This episode was brought to you by Something's Fishy. In a blink, no more stink. All herbal, natural spray to remove odors from your hands after you fish.